Hi, good evening. Welcome to New Tech Talks. Today's our topic is very essential, and if you have a desktop which is not turning on, this will be very useful for you. So if your machine is not turning on, first you will check with the power cable and the power connectivity from the outlet, and if it is perfectly well, even though machine is not turning on, now you will have this video is very useful for you. You will check whether the SMPS is working or not. Now let us just check how to check the SMPS is working or not. If you can make out if the problem is with the SMPS, you can just fix it up here itself by replacing with new another SMPS so that your desktop works very well. Just get into the video. We have two SMPSs with us. One is working and one is not working. This is a new SMPS which we are using it for trial, and for this we need a power card which is working fine, and it is a compact jumper where you can use it to short 2 pins at a time. And here we go. See, we're just shorting the 2 pins. One is green and black. You'll have to do it in the same way, and you'll have to look at the notch so that you can just figure out whether it is turning on or not. I'm just connecting the power cable. No, it is not. See, look at this. It is not turning on. That means the SMPS is gone. It is not working. Now let us just check with the new SMPS which we have just purchased it. And the same way you have to short 2 pins. One is green and another one is black. And you have to hold as I have shown in this picture. Don't hold in different way and try it. These are the two one is green and black and green. Exactly, you'll have to short those 2 pins so that you'll get to know whether it is working or not. Yes, I'll just insert the jumper pin. The jumper one is a kind of wire which has a metal wire inside, and you'll have to peel the isolation on the top. I'm shorting. One is blue, one is green and black. Yes, I've just shorted. Now let us just connect the power cable to that. Yes, here we go. Yes, it is running so fast you're not even make out whether it's running or not. That is I can see that it is running. Let me just confirm it by putting some kind of rubber into it so that you can make out whether the fan is running or not. Here we go. Yes, check this out. See, it is working fine. Yeah, it means that it is working fine. If you feel this video is useful for you, please do subscribe and like, so that I can make many more useful and money saving videos for you. Thank you.